and it's gonna be harder and harder to get. If I knew this kind of stuff exists, I start from this. This is what I got for FPV drones. This is must have if you want to fly the FPVs. This is trainer unit for you, the drone, right? It comes with all the instruction manuals, how to set up all that stuff, right? And this is the drone itself with the fast charging USB-C to USB. This is the remote control itself. As you can see, we're gonna put these sticks in. Sticks are heavyweight metal sticks. Very good quality. Yeah, these ones are very nice. It goes up and down, both sides, left and right. And these are all the metal. This one's a 2-point, this one's a 3-point, which is good quality. The drone is not the heavy weight, but it's actually plastic quality. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Right, after playing so many games and crashing on the game, so many drones, I'm really like surprised. This company told me, "The Mike, check this out, our S8 drone simulator remote control." And I said, well, what can be, right? But when I connect to set it up, I start to playing this, practicing. I'm like, every crash it's gonna be like it costing like any drones from between the $500 to $5,000, right? Every crash is gonna be very costly. So this controller, it gives me a lot of practice before I start doing any drones. And the game simulator, as you can see, is like a super very easy to navigate, and it says a multiple place. We can go here. Another $1,000 drone is gone. Yeah, you see that? That's why you need this remote control. 100%. This is a time and money saver, 100%. No, it's really big. Go to a different map. And that's it. Barely waited. Go lower. Go lower. Fly between those rocks. Try to do half speed, like you just lift it. No, that side. No, that side, yeah. Or we can go with forest, and when we get the very advanced, we can go to garage. Actually, these kind of places, it's very hard to maneuver, but we're gonna play that, and it's gonna be harder and harder to get parking lot. It's gonna be worse, so it's very small places. That the remote control, it's highly good quality, right, and highly customizable. You can customize like feeling, pitch, and the jaw angles, the degrees, how much you want to do, and you have extra buttons. Each on top buttons like a 3 lower buttons is a 3 slides to each side. Top buttons has 3 slides on each side, so we can add the custom items. So during the period, it's gonna be speed. A lot of things to add, right? So I'm glad I got this. I have to practice a lot my FPV drone flights, and also it's the game. It's gonna be like from outside look or from inside. I'm not gonna go to the details, but for the price, I think I have to buy very first before any drones. I crashed so many drones. If I knew this kind of stuff exists, I start from this. Right? Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.